How to crop the video on iPhone. First thing first, what you want to do is head over to your gallery. Once you are in here, move into the video that you want to crop. Simply click on it. So let's say this is the video that you want to crop. In order to do so, click on Edit at the very top right. In here, the option of crop will be visible to you. Click on it. Now choose how many areas of the video that you want it to be seen. You can adjust it as per your need. And once you are done, simply click on Done at the top right corner. And there you go, your video has been cropped successfully. Simply play the video and then you will be able to see that your video has been cropped successfully. Likewise, you can crop any of the video that you want to from your gallery. Or you can also save any of the video into your gallery and then crop it. So that's all for today, and this was a tutorial free on how to crop video on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.